Good day to each and every one of you. I am Clivy S. Estreva from BE Ed 1H3. Today, we will talk about on how do human acts affect relationship and society. But first and foremost, what is human act, Mandiay? It simply means that the human act is the action performed with knowledge, with free will, and with deliberation, as what Mr. Digoma stated in his virtual discussion last meeting. So how do human acts affect relationship? So if we do bad conducts towards our family, towards our friends, and even towards other individuals, it will ruin our relationship towards them. Just like for example, ipagpalagay natin na mayroon akong kaibigan na nawawala ng pera at nagkataon na ako ang nakapulot ng pera niya. Tapos, hindi ko isinauli ang pera sa kanya, sa halip inilagay ko ito sa aking bulsa. Nagkataon na meron kaming kaibigan na nakakakita na ako yung nakapulot. Tapos isinumbong sa kanya na ako yung nakapulot. So, masisira yung ugnayan naming dalawa. Masisira yung relationship namin. Masisira yung friendship namin dahil alam niya na ako yung nakapulot ng pera niya tapos hindi ko isinauli. So, it will ruin our relationship, right? So, vice versa, kapag ako yung nakapulot ng pera niya tapos isinauli ko agad sa kaibigan ko, yung pagkakaibigan namin is magiging strong pa. So, magiging yung connection namin, matatag. Magiging matatag yung pagkakaibigan namin dahil alam niya sa sarili niya na maaasahan or matapat akong kaibigan sa kanya. Another example is, if nagkaroon ng misunderstanding ng kaibigan ko at ako at ang kaibigan ko ay nagkaroon ng misunderstanding, nagkaroon kami ng argument, then kapag nanghihingi ako ng apologize sa kanya, it means it is a human act, right? Nanghihingi ako ng apologize sa kanya after an argument. So it will stay our relationship will stay strong in that case. Magiging matatag ang pagkakaibigan namin dahil hindi namin hinahayaan na sirain kami ng aming conflict. Hindi namin hinahayaan na sisirain kami ng aming away, ng aming argument. Sa halip, hihingi ako ng tawad sa kanya. So, kapag hihingi ako ng tawad sa kanya, yung relationship namin is magiging strong. So, if hindi ako nanghingi ng tawad sa kanya after our argument, masisira yung pagkakaibigan namin, tama? So, that is why human act is important in building a good relationship to our friends and even family and even to other individuals. So, second, how do human acts affect society? So, all of our actions can shape social norms and values. So, it can affect society. So, just like for example, if we tend to do good and serve as an example to other individuals within our society, they will follow our good conduct that can lead to peaceful and respectful society. But if we do bad or kapag yung ginagawa natin is mga maling gawain, sundin niya ng mga individuals within our society. So, kapag yung mga sinusunod nilang mga gawain natin ay mali, magiging chaotic ang ating society, tama? Magiging magulo, magiging maingay ang ating environment or ang ating society. So, mahalagang gagawa tayo ng ating decision wisely. Mahalagang alam natin ang ginagawa natin na tama dahil magiging malaking epekto ito sa ating environment. So, at dyan nagtatapos ang ating discussion on how do human acts affect relationship and society. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye!